announcing a sexual health webinar for women. I'm Meredith Keller.
And I'm Jill Lipari.
And we will be presenting Unleashing the Power of Pleasure. We wanted to start by telling you a little bit about ourselves and then how we connected and what you can expect from this fun webinar. So I'm Meredith Keller. I wrote a masterclass in intimate relationships titled Reconnect with Your Partner. It's a self-study course for couples to learn new ways to talk and listen to one another so that they can resolve both small differences but also big conflicts. And I developed that course based on my 22 years of experience working as a couples therapist.
I'm Jill, and I'm a pelvic floor physical therapist, doctor of physical therapy specializing in pelvic health. I work with men and women, but I see a lot of women that struggle in the sexual health space with pain with sex or discomfort or fear around penetration.
Let's tell them how we got connected.
All right. So Meredith actually reached out to me to collaborate on this webinar, and I was super excited when she did. Every patient that I see that's working toward healing or improving their sexual health always presents with difficulties with communication or self-advocacy and connection that needs to be addressed. And I feel like Meredith really fills that void.
Oh, thanks, Jill. And I see couples from another angle. When they come to me, they realize they have communication issues. And we talk about their sexual connection. Many times there's a physical issue going on sexually. And that's not something that I can help them with. So they need someone like you, a pelvic floor PT.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. In creating this content and sharing it with so many women already, I've really noticed how imperative and how few resources are offered to women and to couples in such an intimate, sensitive, and valuable area.
Yeah, and I see the same thing. Speaking of few resources for women around sexuality, I'll hear from those women who talk about a physical issue when it comes to sexuality. Maybe they have talked to their doctor or their gynecologist, and that person gave them a well-meaning but unhelpful response. And then it leaves them back to square one because they don't know what to do next.
Right. All the time, unfortunately. Yeah.
So let's tell them what they can expect to get out of our upcoming webinar.
All right. Well, I want the attendees to really be able to walk out with tools that they can begin to integrate that day to help them feel empowered and to take control of their own bodies and their own intimacy.
Yes, so important. And my role for people walking out of our women's seminar is that women will be able to think about their relationship and also their sexual relationship differently in new and helpful ways. Also, they'll have new ways to talk to their partner about their sexual connection so they can begin to revive their sex life. And same here, I want women to have actionable items, new things that they can do when it comes to sex, touch, sensual touch, so that the couple's sex life can and should be a vibrant and fun and erotic and sometimes funny, unique experience that the couple shares. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, absolutely. Sounds great. I'm looking forward to it for sure.
Yeah, me too. So you'll see the link below to sign up for Unleashing the Power of Pleasure, our webinar that's coming up. And we're so excited to have you join us.
Looking forward to it. See you there.
See you there.